moment the vehicles leave the factory, whether it's a two-wheeler, three-wheeler, four-wheeler, the entire data of your engine chassis number is uploaded on Vahan 4. So it is available immediately, not only the registering offices but at dealer points wherever they have the respective dealerships. Now we had the earlier system wherein when the new vehicle consignment comes to the dealership, the RTO inspector has to come and inspect the vehicle. They inspect for what? To check the engine number, chassis number is the same on the vehicle as shown in the invoice. Now with this uploading of the data by the manufacturer, that is absolutely not required. It's a waste of time, energy. The officers can be put to some other use rather than spending that time on coming to the dealership for inspecting the vehicle. Goyane registration, online registration has been there for last more than 15 years, and over a period it has improved. The system has improved because there were a lot of issues earlier, but they were all addressed well. And today we are absolutely in a very good position to do online registration at the dealer point, which is 24/7 open, irrespective of it's a holiday or Sunday, whatever it is, there is no issue. We can do at the dealer level. Now, over a period, the Ministry of Road Transport has made a lot of amendments to the rules of registration and all that, and to tune it with the online system, there are a lot of new changes have been made, which I think the two major changes are still to be implemented in the state of Goa. Number two, now the online registration is done by the dealer. So dealer obtains all the documents from the customer, what is required by the RTO, which RTO has given us guidelines, what is Aadhaar card or election card, whatever the residence proof, all those documents are checked by the respective dealer desk of the online registration. They do the online registration, issue the number, and as per the new Motor Vehicle Act, now it's compulsory that each and every vehicle which is delivered has to be delivered with HSRP number plate. Rule is that once the registration is done at the dealership, every week or 10 days, the dealer has to submit the hard copy of the documents to the respective registering offices. Now just imagine the time taken by the dealership to prepare, carry this document, to go and give it there, and then all that. So now, since the online registration is done, all documents are uploaded, RTO should accept that as a final thing, and we be allowed to give the handover the original file back to the. For that, why to not do that? Because all over the country now, states have started following the new practice. It's only in Goa which is not there. Which the transport director assured us we will do it, but it's still not been done.
कितलोय तुवें बदल हाडलो, डिजिटायजेशन केलें, मनशाच्या मनान बदल जावपाक जाय. आमचे RTO इन्स्पेक्टर थोडे आसा ते अजुनूय ओल्ड मायंडसेट घेवन आसा. तांकां मातशें वायट दिसता, आपल्या हातीन आसलें तर सुट्टा सगलो पावर. डिजिटायज म्हळ्यार तुजे कडेन कोण येयच ना. दे गो ऑन द डिजिटल प्लॅटफॉर्म, whether it is your driving license, learners, permits, so many services, as many as 14 services have been digitized. वचपाची गरज ना, घरा बसून तुका प्रिंट आउट येता, पेमेंटूय केले जाता, सो तेंचे कडेन कोण येता. सो दॅट लिटल बीट ऑफ थिंकींग हॅज टू चेंज. हांवें कालूच मिटींग घेतला, हेका लागून पयर एक बैठक घेतला, सगळे एडीटी आपोवन, सगळे मेन ऑफिसर आपोवन, MVI, AVI, आनी तांकां सांगला world is changing, you have to change. Goa wants to be in tune with the rest of the country and with the rest of the world. हें चलपाना म्हूण. आनी okay, you are taking time to adapt, time to learn the technology or adopt to it. I am giving you 1 month's time. Every month I am सांगला I will have review. कितले आमी फुडें गेला ते. Because I am aware there were complaints. Physically गेल्या तरी बेगीन एकदां जाता. ऑनलायन वयता तेन्ना लास्ट एक मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट जाय पडटा, ती पर्सनली दिवपाक ते तांकां 4-5 फावटी आपोवपाक लागले. सो अशें जावपाक जायना. आय सेड आय विल नॉट टॉलरेट दीस. आय हॅव गिवन देम स्ट्रिक्ट वॉर्निंग.